Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus Mk3 generation 2012 to 2017-18, and we'll show you where to find and how to replace the fuse for the battery monitor system on that Focus. Now this should cover guys the whole generation, I believe, from 2012 to 2017-18, even the one with the facelift. In our case, we'll need to open the hood guys, and the fuse will be under the hood. Also, in addition, let me just introduce you to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys, subscribe to the channel. If you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. Now once you open the hood, okay, this is your box right here. So we need to remove the lid for the fuse box. Okay, here you're supposed to press down, but the thing is missing, so you can just pull it up like that in our case. So just press this way and pull it up. Now on the back side you can find the different codes, the different fuse numbers. Okay, and for the battery monitor system we need to locate fuse number 22. In our case 22 is right here. You hold the cap like that, and when we see this way, even in the fuse box you can see the little bitty letters, it says fuse number 22. Okay, let me see if I can go ahead and show you that. Okay, right here you can see it says fuse 22. In our case it's a 15 amp fuse. I'll go ahead, okay, and remove the clip now, the fuse puller, and we're going to use the small end. Okay, go like that, put it on top of the fuse and then squish on the front side and pull it out. Okay, this is it guys, this is the fuse. Usually 90% of the time, even 95%, you'll be able to see if the fuse is burned by checking the element inside. You can see this one, it looks continuous, it's not blown. But to double check that, I'm going to use a voltmeter. Let me grab the voltmeter quick. Okay, and see where I left it now. Okay, right there. We're going to set it on continuity here. And if the fuse is good, we're going to it's going to make a connection between the two lights. It's like touching them together. You go to 0, and if it's not good, you show 1. So let's hold it now. One post on one end of the fuse, the other post on the other, and listen now. So our fuse is good. So this is the fuse guys for the battery monitor system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. All we have to do is just push it in. Okay, you can see, align everything really good and push it in. So thank you for watching and see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.